Hi, Cormac Thunderbird Yacht Sales in West Vancouver. It's November, things are getting a little cooler, a little slower. Today we have this really cool 30-foot landing craft aluminum boat. Let's jump aboard and have a look. I really like this boat. It's got a self-bailing deck, lots of room for your cargo. It's a commercial grade boat. This ramp lowers with an electric winch, lowers the ramp. It's got a nice doghouse here for keeping you warm and dry. It's also set up for towing. It's got a rope guard around here to keep the rope away from the engine, away from the propeller, all that sort of thing. 225, four-stroke Yamaha, 9.9 Yamaha kicker. Tow post here for towing. Also with this headache rack, nice and safe. The rope snaps, nothing happens. Let's step inside and have a look. I'm a commercial boat guy. I've spent a lot of time in boats like this. This one's set up really well. Really good visibility. Nice big huge GPS here. Another set backup GPS here. VHF radio for monitoring traffic or calling for help, whatever you need, weather, anything like that. Seating here, storage underneath. Couple batteries, battery switch. Nice comfortable seating here with a footrest. You know, because you spend a lot, when you're on a workboat, you spend hours and hours and hours driving the boat. It's got to be comfortable. We've got lots of commuters around here, lots of people that go up to their islands. This would still be a great commuter boat. Carry whatever you want up and down to the boat. You can land on the beach, shallow draft at the front with the ramp that goes down. There you have it.